Hello, today I'm going to make some cards to celebrate Christmas. The templates that I'm using today will help you make a festive winter scene with trees. The card gives the viewer a sense of perspective, so it appears as though some of the parts of the scene are further away than others. If you print the template out onto thin white card, you can then decorate the sections as you like. Use felt tip pens to colour in solid hills or add patterns to them. Use high pigmented coloured pencils to decorate the trees with wavy stripes or stars or a solid colour. If you're using a solid colour, try and make sure that your pen strokes or pencil strokes all run in the same direction. It gives a much neater finish and looks more professional. You need to colour in the centre section of the card blank because this will be the sky. Use scissors to cut around the black lines on the template. When you've done that, use a scoring tool or the end of a pencil, a counter or a thumbnail against your ruler to press down along the dotted lines on the card template, because this will make it much easier to fold. And then bend it in the middle so you have a concertina effect. You need to now glue down your hills and your trees. So if you open up the first part of the card, glue your largest hill and place it inside that fold. Then fold back the front part of the card and glue that panel. And then your wavy hill can be fixed on the front of it like so. We've made some trees larger than others because if you were looking at a landscape, the trees in the foreground would be bigger than the trees in the background. Arrange your trees on the hills with a glue stick, and don't worry if they go over the top of the folds of the card or across the edges. We want them to do this because it makes the card look more attractive. Save one of the largest trees for the front of your card and just glue the bottom half of it so that the top of the tree can sit above the hillside. Don't forget, you can make the cards however you like and you can decorate them, and together they'd make a great classroom display. To help everyone in the class make a fantastic card, we've got templates for everything you need on plazoom.com. You'll get the card template with fold lines and different decorations to cut out and add to your design.